Mr. Mojo here, and I'm going to take you through how to use your Lancet device that comes with your GKI Bluetooth meter. The Lancet that fitted, we have them here in our web store. They come in packs of 100 and they are a 30 gauge. Put those to the side and let's take you through. First of all, we can open it up like that and you will see that there is an expansion gap that will be there to receive the Lancet like so. We just twist off the top like this, exposing that very, very tiny Lancet there, and then twist to lock in this way. The Lancet device comes with 5 separate depth selections, one being the smallest all the way up to 5, which is being the deepest. Basically, I like it in the Goldilocks zone, which is here. To get it ready to fire, we pull back just like that. And here is the actual trigger, boom. When testing, I like to rotate through my fingers. Generally, I like to test on the side of the finger here because there's a lot less nerve endings. And obviously you can use left and right hands. Other areas on the hand that you can test are the side of the palms here and here. You get a little bit less blood that comes out of there, so you definitely need to have a 30 gauge needle on that one there. If you've got great vascularity, nice warm hands, you can sometimes get away with a 33 gauge needle, which is the thinnest of those. So when preparing to test, important, wash your hands, get those hands nice and warm, get good vascularity, and then you can begin the test. So I washed my hands earlier, I pull back the handle like so, I place it on here, and I fire. And as you can see, I've already got a nice piece of blood droplet beginning to form right there. A gentle pressure, and you need a bead about half the size of a matchstick head, and then we're ready to test. So, once you've conducted your test, you can take off the top like this. You will see there's a little ejector handle right here which you can push, and the Lancet falls on out. And then what we can do is we can take that Lancet, and when the top, we make it safe like this, for disposal into a shop's container.